I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Lively is updated and your PC meets basic GPU and RAM needs. This avoids surprises. Next, choose the format you want: MP4 or WebM for smooth playback, GIF for simple loops, or a web URL for interactive scenes. Once done, search for packs labeled for desktop use and filter by resolution. Make sure files are at or above your screen size to avoid blurring. Then download one clean sample file to test playback immediately. You now dive into sources. Look in Wallpaper engine exports, community packs, Reddit threads, and Deviant art galleries for desktop-ready loops. Once you get a candidate, convert or trim it so the duration, resolution, and frame rate match your display. This reduces CPU and GPU load. Use H. 264 or H. 265 for MP4 files, and VP9 for WebM to keep file sizes small. Make sure the loop point is seamless. If it stutters, trim 1 or 2 frames and you import the prepared file into Lively and assign it to the appropriate monitor profile. Set scale and alignment so it fills the screen. Then tweak playback options, mute or enable audio, set GPU priority or pause on battery to balance visuals with performance. Once applied, watch for stutter, audio drift, or high GPU use. If problems appear, lower resolution, change codec, or disable shader effects. As a key troubleshooting tip, restart Lively after changes to clear cached frames and ensure fresh playback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.